I came to HairWeavon because I lost my hair after chemotherapy treatment about 5.5 months ago. I wasn't really happy with the idea of wearing my hair short for a long-term period while I waited for it to grow back. I thought there had to be a better option than to wear a wig every day, which wasn't really suiting my lifestyle. I didn't like that you had to take it on and off every day. So I went online, I just Googled hair systems and HairWeavon came up. When I first came to HairWeavon, my hair was only about 1.5 inches in length, so I was even unsure as to whether something could be done at that stage or whether I'd have to wait. But Yinka in HairWeavon told me that it was possible, and we made an appointment for a few days after my first visit, which was amazing. I was really surprised to know that there was an option available where you could wear your hair long. You didn't have to take anything off and on every day, and it was just essentially acting as your normal hair. You'd wash your hair in the shower, and you can go to the gym and do all the normal things that you usually would do. It's great because it's never something I have to worry about anymore. It's minimal maintenance. I come into HairWeavon maybe every 5 or 6 weeks or so, depending on my own hair growth, and then that's it. I don't have to do anything else. The weave system is a protective style, so you have the luxury of knowing that your own hair is growing underneath and it's not being affected by any heat or pollutants in the air. So when you're eventually ready to wear it, whatever length it might be, it's going to be really healthy, which is a great thought too. The experience in HairWeavon so far has been amazing. I really couldn't have asked for more. I came in for an initial appointment and then had the weave installed a few days later. Everyone has been really warm and friendly and understanding that it's a delicate situation, and yeah, I just felt really comfortable from the moment I came in. The sense of normality that having this hair system gives you is incredibly important to me, and I know it will be to a lot of other people too, in the sense that you're not reminded every day of why you might have lost your hair in the first place. So it eliminates that kind of constant reminder from your daily life, which is a huge deal. It just gives that sense of normality back to you.